Number 1. 1947 Ford Old School Coupe. Price, $28,500. Located in Gainesville, Florida, this 1947 Ford Old School Coupe is a beautifully preserved classic that blends vintage charm with practical modern upgrades, making it a dependable and enjoyable driver for everyday use or weekend cruising. Powered by a strong 302 engine paired with an overdrive automatic transmission, this coupe delivers smooth acceleration and comfortable highway capability. The exterior wears a rich burgundy finish that highlights its timeless, curvy body lines, while the interior features a clean gray cabin designed for comfort and usability, with power windows, power brakes, and functional air conditioning. The car offers conveniences that many classics of its era lack, making it far more user-friendly for long drives. The seller also notes the addition of a new radio system, pop locks, and a fresh set of tires, ensuring that the car is ready for the road without requiring immediate maintenance. With over 50,000 miles driven and several owners throughout its lifetime, it remains solid, reliable, and fully paid off. This 1947 Ford is not simply a showpiece. It is a true daily driver that combines nostalgic appeal with modern functionality. Perfect for collectors seeking comfort, style, and authenticity in an American post-war coupe. The car presents a rare chance to own a well-maintained classic that has been intelligently upgraded to meet the expectations of today's drivers while preserving its old-school spirit. Number 2. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price, $64,500. Located in Northport, Florida, this 1932 Ford Roadster is an extraordinary build that represents the perfect blend of craftsmanship, raw performance, and classic hot rod styling. Featuring an all-steel Brooksville body with full fenders and select original 1932 Ford steel components, this ride delivers authenticity rarely seen in today's market. The body has been finished in multi-coat black acrylic accented with vivid blue and hand-applied graphics, all topped with multiple layers of clear coat for a deep, mirror-like shine. The electric trunk lid adds convenience while maintaining the car's vintage identity. Under the hood sits a highly modified 400 GM small block pushing an estimated 425 to 450 horsepower, complete with comp cam, a dual quad intake, and twin 750 CFM carburetors that give the Roadster its aggressive character. Custom headers and glass pack exhausts provide an unmistakable hot rod sound. The 700 are 4 GM overdrive transmission pairs with a Winters 2-speed rear end to create a flexible and responsive driving experience for both cruising and spirited runs. Stopping power comes from Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, ensuring modern control on a classic platform. Steering is manual, preserving the traditional feel of early hot rods. Countless one-off billet aluminum pieces were specially crafted for this build, reflecting the meticulous attention to detail by Victor Vic Ogrom, the car's builder. With only 300 miles driven and fully paid off, this Roadster is ready for shows, cruises, and collectors who appreciate high-quality craftsmanship combined with serious horsepower. Number 3. 1929 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $30,000. Located in Canton, Georgia, this 1929 Chevrolet Coupe stands as an exceptionally preserved piece of automotive history. Built with an all-steel original Fisher body, solid, rust-free, and representing nearly a century of family ownership, this coupe offers a rare level of authenticity. Under the hood is a 4.3L V6 sourced from a 1990 Blazer. Paired with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission that makes the car surprisingly efficient and comfortable for long drives. It features a Holley Sniper fuel injection system with Holley distributor and ignition, allowing for adjustable timing and modern reliability. The Mustang II front end combined with a Flaming River manual rack and pinion steering setup provides agile control, while power disc brakes and Cooper tires deliver a confident ride. The aluminum radiator keeps temperatures under control, making this coupe suitable for both daily cruising and interstate speeds. Though the body is structurally excellent, the paint shows its age, including scratches and an area on the roof that needs refinishing due to long-term storage and older bodywork. The interior requires new seats, carpet, and panels to reach show quality, yet the dash remains in excellent condition. For an enthusiast, this car offers a rare opportunity. drive and enjoy it immediately or gradually restore it into a high-end hot rod. A V8 conversion is simple, as the engine would bolt directly to the existing transmission and accessories. With a GA title in hand and unmatched family history, this 1929 Chevrolet Coupe is a fun, dependable, and highly customizable classic. Number 4. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $26,000. Location, Gann, Kentucky. This 1934 Chevrolet Master Sedan Coupe stands out as a rare, true survivor that has not been modified, cut, or transformed into a hot rod. Retaining its full originality, including its factory 6V electrical system, it provides an authentic look into early Chevrolet craftsmanship. With only 1,111 miles shown, it runs, starts, and drives remarkably well. The paint, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. The interior is also in good shape, maintaining its original character without major deterioration. The seller purchased it as a project but no longer needs it. The price is firm, reflecting the rarity of an unaltered 34 Chevy Coupe. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery, price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 Sedan Delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe, price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seat belts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. It has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck, price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod, price, $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford three-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Goodyear's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe, Chrome, $36,500, Chelmsford, Massachusetts. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe is a standout classic that blends old-school craftsmanship with modern performance upgrades, resulting in a highly capable street machine with show-quality appeal. Driven just over 11,000 miles, it remains in strong running condition, supported by an automatic transmission and a well-balanced mechanical setup, finished in a striking green exterior with a clean black interior. This coupe delivers the right mix of vintage attitude and updated comfort. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of a custom trailer, making it ideal for owners who enjoy attending car shows or long-distance events. The car rides on an independent front suspension paired with a 1965 Corvette rear end, giving it impressive road manners compared to many traditional hot rods. Power comes from a new 383 Blueprint motor with only 600 miles on it, equipped with new dual sniper fuel injection for smooth throttle response and increased efficiency. Additional upgrades include new vintage air with heat, ensuring comfort in varying weather conditions. Originally built in 1978, the car carries decades of history while benefiting from continuous updates. The steel body and glass fenders provide both authenticity and durability. The seller notes that the driving lights do not go with the car overall. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe represents a well-upgraded, well-maintained classic that is fully ready for cruising, showing, and long-term enjoyment. Number 11. 1932 Ford Roadster, $50,000, Hingham, Massachusetts. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a beautifully maintained and well-built example of a Brookville steel body hot rod, offering classic aesthetics paired with strong modern performance. Driven only 8,000 miles, the car presents in very good condition with a clean title and no significant mechanical issues or damage. The exterior is finished in a bold blue that perfectly complements its iconic roadster styling, while the gray interior provides a refined and comfortable driving environment. Power is supplied by a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control over its lively and responsive performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end supports the drivetrain with dependable strength, making the car both reliable and enjoyable for long cruises or weekend events. The Roadster also includes a rod-tops roof with zip-in side windows, offering flexibility for open-air driving or enclosed protection as needed. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great but simply isn't being used enough, prompting the sale. Trades may be considered. Though boats and motorcycles are specifically excluded, this 1932 Ford Roadster strikes an ideal balance between heritage styling, modern drivability, and steel body authenticity. It is highly appealing to collectors, hot rod enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a classic that's ready to enjoy immediately. Its combination of performance parts and timeless design ensures long-term value and pride of ownership. Number 12. 1931 Model A Street Rod. Price, $22,500, located in Auburndale, Florida. This 1931 Model A Street Rod represents a great opportunity for enthusiasts wanting a solid and well-built classic that blends vintage styling with hot rod personality. Finished in a traditional body style that preserves the unmistakable silhouette of the early Ford era, this Model A offers a strong platform for cruising, showing, or further customizing depending on the buyer's vision. Its condition is listed as used good, indicating a dependable, driver-quality hot rod that has already received significant mechanical updates. While the listing does not specify every detail, most Model A street rods of this type typically include upgraded suspension components, improved braking systems, and a modernized drivetrain, features that make them far more practical and enjoyable compared to factory originals. The body retains the authentic feel of the early 1930s design with its upright stance, steel construction, and classic proportions that appeal to collectors of all ages. Located in Auburndale, Florida, the car stands out as an accessible entry into the world of hot rodding, providing a ready-to-enjoy experience without requiring a full restoration. With its clean presentation and solid condition, it offers room for personalization while being perfectly suitable for immediate weekend drives or participation in local car events. Classic vehicles from this era continue to rise in desirability, and the Model A remains one of the most iconic platforms ever produced. Whether used as a reliable cruiser or taken to the next level with performance upgrades, this 1931 street rod delivers timeless style at an attractive price point for collectors and hobbyists alike.